Welcome back, traders. This is Sandra with Trading Made Simple, and today we're looking at DXY. DXY is the US dollar, if you're not familiar. This year, a lot of us has been talking about the VIX, and the VIX just kind of seems broken, is the joke. Typically speaking, the VIX has some pretty dramatic moves, and when the VIX moves, so does the market. So as the VIX rises, the market will tend to fall. But because the VIX has not been a real great indicator lately of fear in the market, I have been looking at the dollar. So the dollar has been low, as you can see. But we have been basing, and it is starting to break out of this higher wedge on a daily. So if we start to see higher dollar prices, then we should see the market tend to react by falling, because the dollar is typically an inverse correlation to the SPX. I wanted to show you how to get a tool on your chart if you don't have any special indicators that are helping you identify when the market's going up or down, to give you an indication or an edge in what's happening with the market. I wanted to show you this tool that's for free, and it's called Comparison. So before we get into that, if you're liking this type of content, please like, subscribe, and share. I really do appreciate it. Have any questions, start a dialogue below in the comments section. I will always get back to you. Okay, so we have SPX on our chart here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the left hourglass, right? There's two hourglasses or beakers here. And so I'm going to go to the left one. And then I'm going to start typing in comparison. And when I do that, you can automatically see that thinkorswim has a free tool called Comparison. And as I look in the gear icon, I'm going to look at what they have programmed. And what they have is basically a line chart. The comparison is with SPX, and they have the colors purple. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a candle. And I'm going to want, because I already have SPX on my chart already, and typically a lot of us do. So what I'm going to put here is DXY. All right, and you can see DXY right here. And now I'm going to just change this to something a little bit more dramatic, like yellow, since I have a black background. And then now you can see basically what the dollar is doing comparably to what your SPX is doing. So as the dollar, right, is going down and crosses against SPX, you can see SPX rises. So now you can see that the dollar is rising. So this should be a nice other type of indicator, right? To help you gain an edge in the market, to identify, hey, what's been going on, especially if you don't have different types of indicators that may give you an early warning signal of a trend change. But this may definitely help you. And the nice thing about this comparison chart indicator is that you can actually compare many different signals, many different tickers against one another. So, you could go back into your beaker, go back into your comparison indicator, and then change if you want to do the SPX as an example to the NASDAQ or to the QQQs. You could just go ahead and change that, and then you can see that on your chart. So a really nice indicator. I definitely use it for the dollar to pay attention to as we start to see the dollar rise. And this is a really good period in time right now because the dollar is rising, people. I hope you like this content. If you don't already know, we have a Discord. tradingmadesimple.org is the website. That'll get you over to the Discord, or you can look in the description below. All my contact information is there. I look forward to finding out if this helps you, and we'll see you in the next video.